Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can select nth element using Playwright. You can use Playwright Nth Selector when multiple elements are found on a web page to narrow down your query. You can fetch one of many elements using Nth Selector indexing. Unlike CSS nth match, the Nth Selector index starts from 0. To select the last element, you can use index -1. For demo, we will use Programs Page footer menu and click on About Us, which is at position 0, and Write for Us, which is at position last or -1. Here inspect, select About Us. So div class here is blog-content, div.blog-content, and then we have UL. In this UL we have li for list, and you can see this CSS selector finding 7 elements, all the links in footer menu. Copy this CSS selector, go to your code and type await page.locator, paste your CSS selector, and now use greater than sign 2 times and then type nth equal to 0 to select the first element, which is About Us. Click on it, and for the last element copy it and change value 0 to -1. Now before we execute, use await page.pause so that we can see what is happening in browser. Use test.only here. Now execute your test. Now we are on Programs Page website, and here is our inspector. It paused after visiting the website. Now click on Step Over. You see this step is highlighting About Us with nth equal to 0. Now click again on Step Over button. Now we are on About Us page, and this step with nth equal to -1 is highlighting Write for Us, which is last element. You can scroll up and see you are on About Us page. Now you can click here Resume to close the browser or execute all the remaining steps. So this is how we use Nth Selector with CSS. You can also use Nth Selector with XPath. So convert this into XPath. Use // for dot, open square bracket, use @class equal to single quote. So this is our class name. Now close square bracket, replace this greater than sign with /, replace this greater than sign with /. Now you can see using XPath we are able to find all 7 elements, copy it just before this double greater than sign, replace CSS selector with XPath selector, use double quotes here, and here also replace this CSS selector with XPath selector. This will remain same. Now execute your code again. We are on home page. Click step over. About us is highlighted for 0th index. Now right for us is selected for -1 index. Again click on step over. It will visit your right for us, and click on resume to close browser. You can replace this double greater than sign and nth equal to 0, this nth selector with nth method. Delete this from here. Use dot nth and here give value 0. Similarly you can do for -1 as well. Delete this nth -1. Execute your code again. Step over. So you can see with value 0 in nth method we are on about us, and with value -1 we are on right for us. So this is how you select nth element. Try to practice this yourself on create new account and scroll down and select quality assurance from interest drop down using -2 index. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.